So I get this question all the time, and it's, what do you do with all your prompts? You got this big list of AI prompts that you're supposed to do something with, and you're like, I don't know what to do with that. How do I organize it? How do I make them useful? And there's a couple ways, but I'm going to show you one way today that I find super useful for using my prompts. So I'm in my Notion database. You can see I've got like my to-do list, all that good stuff here, but I'm going to go down to my prompt database, which for most of you I have shared. If not, put it in the comments and I'll send you the link that you would like it. But this has like so many prompts in it. It's like I can't keep track of them all. Like I've at least organized them. So here I've got this prompt, organizes it and how I'm supposed to make it look and all this great. But I don't want to have to go here every single time and go, I need to make Facebook posts. What a pain in the butt. Right? That sort of idea. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go over to chat. So this is where I find like some of my best uses for it. The things that I use on a regular basis. And I'm not going to build an app or an automation for it. I just want like a single one-off sort of idea. And I build myself a custom chat GPT to be able to use because I can put all the instructions in it and then I don't have to tell it to do anything. And I'm going to give you a couple examples and then we're going to go back to this Facebook one that I just showed you. The first example is Tom's Business YouTube Summarizer. I don't even think I spelled summarizer right, but that's okay. So in here, it's what does this thing do? Well, let's give an example. We're going to go over to
I noticed that you have a really
this
crisp
prompt here. So this is build the ultimate innate and reg thing. It's a techie video that I like to watch because I'm a techie type of guy. And I'm going to take it over to ChatGPT and I'm just going to paste it in here. So I don't have to tell this thing to do anything. It goes in and it looks at the video and it breaks down the strategies and the tools and just creates the whole video for me. So see how fast that was for me to be able to pull it off. I didn't have to think about what I wanted to write or how I had to do the prompt. It only took me a second to do it. I can whip through, like if there's a ton of videos that I want to kind of learn from in a day, but I'm not sure which ones are worth spending 40 minutes watching, I just dump them into this. I check out what the summary is, see if there's anything that I need to dig deeper in, and I can dig deeper into it. But you can see it breaks it down really nice for me. Let's take a closer look at what I've done on this GPT so you can get an idea. So I gave it a title, I gave it a description, and then I just put in my prompt, which is analyze the YouTube, give it a score of 1 to 100 once the tasks are complete, blah, blah, blah. This is the same prompt that I have in my database. I've just moved it over here and customized it a little bit for what I want to do. I give it the choices. You can have web search, Canvas, DALL-E 3, code interpreter. It didn't need these tools, so there's no reason for me to put them in. Facebook posts and edit the GPT. Yeah, there we go. So I want to make sure it has a hook, a body, a conclusion, right? And guidelines. All I have to do is put what type of post I want to put in. So if I go in here, because I've put all the details of what I want this to do, right, I can just go over and I can go, right, a great post living in Belleville, Ontario. And I don't have to write out the entire post. It's going to create a structure with a call to action, all that sort of thing. Let's see. I have no idea what it's going to create here because we've never created this before. A nice little post thinking of trading the chaos for some calm. There's a little slice of heaven tucked between Toronto and Ottawa. It's called Belleville, Ontario. Whether you're sipping coffee by the Bay of Quinte or strolling through Zwick's Park, which is a beautiful park that we have here, or catch local hockey game at the CAA Arena. That's where the Belleville Senators play. Belleville blends small town charm with just the right touch of city convenience. Affordable living, surrounded by nature, great schools, just minutes from Prince Edward County wine country, and that everyone knows your name feeling. You just can't fake. It's no wonder so many are making the move. Belleville isn't just a place to live. It's a place to feel at home. What do you love most about living in Belleville? So there's my CTA for them to make a comment below. Tag a friend who needs to visit or come live here. Belleville, small town vibes, Ontario living, why live in Belleville, moving to Belleville, all that sort of idea for the hashtags. And then it asks me, do you want me to write one for families, retirees, remote workers? Like, it makes it so easy for me to come up with content. So back to my original question, how do I organize all of these prompts that I have in Notion? Well, what I do is I use Notion to get them down and recorded so that I don't lose them, so that I know they're here. And then when I run into a problem that I'm trying to solve, instead of creating a brand new prompt, I'll use this database that I've created to find something that works well for me. And if I know I'm going to do it over and over and over again, I want to make this process as simple and as fast as I can. I want ChatGPT to do the work for me, not the other way around. And so then I take that prompt and I spend my little bit of time. I create a custom ChatGPT, so I don't prompt it every time. I just put in what I want and it gives me the answer and I'm done.